Are you looking to start your business in Florida? If you so, obtaining a sales tax permit is essential for collecting sales tax on taxable products and services. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to apply for a sales tax permit in Florida for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Determine your need for a permit. First, you need to establish if you require a seller's permit, if your business has a physical presence or meets the economic nexus criteria in Florida, like making 100,000 US dollar in sales or 200 transactions. You must register for this permit. Step 2. Create your user profile. Head over to the Florida Business Tax Application website. Click on Create User Profile. Here you will set up your username and password. Don't forget to check your email for a confirmation link from the Florida Department of Revenue. This is crucial for accessing your application later. Step 3. Gather required information. Before diving into the application, make sure you have the following information ready. Business identification, legal name, physical and mailing addresses, entity structure. Indicate if you are a sole proprietorship, LLC or corporation. Federal Employer Identification Number or EIN. Owner information, name, addresses and social security numbers of owners and partners. Business activity details, incorporation date and NAICS code. Step 4. Complete your application. Once logged in, fill out all the requested information accurately. You can also choose to register via paper by completing Florida Form DR1, but online registration is recommended for its efficiency. Step 5. Confirmation and next steps. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation number. Keep this handy. You can check the status of your application on the same website. Once approved, you will receive your certificate of registration, which allows you to start collecting sales tax. And there you have it. Apply for a sales tax permit in Florida is straightforward. If you follow these steps, make sure to keep your permit visible at your business location and stay updated on your filing frequency for sales and tax returns. If you need assistance, consider using services like Tax Hero to simplify the process. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and business advice.